Today, let's trace an existing drawing created with a pencil. First, ensure that you have a photo of it before beginning the tracing process on the IbisPaint app. Once you're ready, let's get started. Firstly, open your IbisPaintX app on your phone. Tap the cross button above the screen and select the canvas size you prefer. I recommend using the A4 setup for printing. Pinch to zoom or zoom out using 2 fingers. Tap the layer panel below. Then tap the camera icon to import the image. Select the desired image for tracing. Resize the image if necessary, then tap the green check when you're done. Cancel any notifications. Rename the layer by tapping the 3 dots on the right side and selecting Rename Layer. For this tutorial, I'll rename this layer as Reference. Tap, hold, and drag the layer to the bottom, like this. Decrease the opacity of the layer. Next, tap the other layer and rename it as Line Art. Then, tap the brush icon on the toolbar. Use the Dip Pen Hard brush and test and modify the thickness as needed. Tap the screen and start tracing the image. Quick tips: you can also rotate the screen using 2 fingers. If you happen to miss a detail or encounter errors during the tracing process, don't worry. You can use the eraser tool to precisely erase the areas that need correction. Additionally, you can undo any changes by tapping the screen with 2 fingers. Note that you can also maximize the stabilizer option located in the upper right corner. Once you're done, hide the layer on the Layers panel. That's it. Here is the final output. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.